好，早安呢，2400哦，good，感觉下个礼拜有望开啤酒。早安，早安，早安。我先看一下今天的，今天应该就会把 yes no 做出来哦。今天应该会做 yes 跟 no， 我很期待，我很期待今天早上可以做出什么东西。我的 N8N 直播，直播讲义，今天是4月8号，就复制昨天那一份。一样要学怎么做这个报价单，然后哦 no 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 not yes， 这个
Go ahead and
我真需要拿。
It's going to be yes.
哦对，就是这里。
So this is how you can add.
所以昨天我们做到的地方是我们的 Oh no， ちょっと待って。待てよ Telegram 加device link beautiful， 我的 UE 讲，所以这边就 yes 跟 no。好，那我这里看一下我的 N8N。Morning， good morning。哎呦 ，N8N。冰冰冰。UE 报价单 ，Let's go。所以今天我先确认一下这个 Google Drive 就可以上传了哦。昨天这个上传好像有点失败了，我就先 test。The fuck？ 好，我看有没有一个 invoice 可以用。这是 Midjourney 的4块钱，3月15号。OK。Are you live or it's live, man? We're building something together. 看一下 ，pending， 然后开始走。这里我还不太确定啊，这里，看一下。所以 Google Sheet 这里应该会跑一个 pending， 然后problem in Node Google Sheet column name were updated after the node setup。下面 What do you mean? What do you mean? Name were updated。refresh 看看，再测试一次。过，哎，耳帽没有抓回来 ，bad， very bad， 为什么 ？undefined， 为什么这里有个total amount。哦 ，OK。Again，もう一回。而刚刚会报错的原因是因为我的 Google Sheet 的 header 有2个是一样的，我觉得是这样子哦。哦，因为要 refresh 嘛，因为 invoice number，refresher，refresher。OK，invoice number 跟 total amount，total amount 我们要把 total amount 放进来。もう一度お願いします。4块钱，3月15号 ，OK，上传失败。Make sure that the previous node output is a binary file。Telegram get a file，哈哈，file ID，ID。thumbnail 是那个封面，我们不是要拿，我们要拿的是，有时候陷阱哦 ，document thumbnail 封面这里 file ID，OK，Let's go baby，Let's go baby，Let's go baby。测试中。哦 ，UE， 哦 ，credential 错了No problem this, no problem. We're building an automation that can parse the information from the invoice and update into a Google Sheet and organize in Google Drive, which is succeed. Nice, man. Cool.
And it
yes, 所以 yes no， 所以如果判断是 text， 我们就要走 yes 跟 no。好。
interactive way to communicate with your user by adding this reply to keep. Go ahead and grab that file, right? So that, as you can see, it happens when we press yes here. So now, great. So it went through. So now, as you can see right here.
Which payment method was used to pay the invoice? Which payment method was used to pay the invoice? If yes, Telegram send a message. Chat ID or activate. Ooh. Try. Yes. 哎 try 所以 yes 噔 good chat ID from ID Telegram 的 ID pick a video I'm glad you like it, man. Text. So, which payment method was used to pay the invoice? UE. 所以我如果这里打 yes, which payment method was sent automatically with N8N? No. Append. OK, 关掉。好。Yes， 然后如果是 no 呢
？Is a text because the switch node was giving. Right? So let's go ahead and say it is going to be a bank this time. And now you'll see. Go ahead. User is able to select and take a look at that. So now. This is a text because we responded with yes, so therefore it went to this switch node right here. So this switch node, we're just giving it a three different inputs and outputs, meaning one is yes, no, and then also which payment method, right? And then for the payment method, we're giving this three option: card, cash, and bank. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So now user is able to select whether it's a card, bank, or cash, right? So let's go ahead and say it is going to be a bank this time. And now you will see, I click on test workflow, now it's listening. I'm gonna say bank.
Taiwan.
And it's gonna go ahead and...
什么 When are you still try to, maintaining this Chinese community first.
Process.
看一下，所以 but we're gonna have English subtitle everywhere in this channel. So if you want to learn more about AI with those tutorial, English subtitle is available.
Because this is the payments.
所以在这边 send a message 的地方，这里应该会有一个 reply keyboard， 然后 bank cash card bank something like this. Okay. So if I type yes, cash card bank card. Okay, very good. It should be one-time keyboard. So this will disappear when I press it. Very important. Okay. If no.
So now let's go ahead and let this finish. All right, there you go.
Successfully updated the database. So good. Glad you like China. Node. Telegram. Get a file. No. Send a text message. So successfully updated the database. Successfully update the database. Okay, good. Chat ID UE. So ready. Telegram trigger ID. Good. Now if I type yes or cash. Oh shit. Cash. Oh, when the text is equals to yes, when text is equals to no, when text is not equal to yes, or when the message is not equal to no. Good. Okay. Same. Append. No. Okay. Message. 这里这个是 confirming payment message. Very good.
Successfully updated the database. So if I go back to my, oops, I just deleted. All right, so our Google Sheet here, as you voice number, that was bank. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening here. So again, same thing on the switch node. So now the payment has the 3 card cash and bank option. So again, same thing on the switch node. So
matches regex 是吗？所以我就不用这样放2个，我可以card cash bank。Card. Oh, damn boy.
So now the payment has the 3 card cash and bank option. So based on the selection of user, so now we're just grabbing what text or what selection or choice did the
text and chat
user make.
X and ID 这样吗 ？Message text 跟 message ID。但我好奇，为什么不从前面拉就好了？为什么要再单独这样拉出来？I don't understand.
And this is the text and then the chat. ID because we need to be able to respond back to the user via that Telegram chat. So now we're grabbing that information. We're grabbing the row number to make sure that we're matching the invoice here, the information with the invoice here, so that way we're updating the correct row here, right? So that's important. We need to make sure we're grabbing the proper row number, and now we're putting a limit here, right? So that's invoice. We're
row number. Oh, Get row 看一下 get row。U 以报价单。Yes, yes. Boom, 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 boom. Which method you paid? Card. Card. Boom, 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 boom. 2次。哎。哦 ，row number 2。哎。Get rows, get rows. 哎。
We're grabbing the row number to make sure that we're matching the invoice here, the information with the invoice here, so that way we're updating the correct row here, right? So that's important. We need to make sure we're grabbing the proper row number, and now we're putting a limit note because we only need to grab one row.
Limit 1 last item. Damn boy, damn. Ooh.
$111.35, and then also the payment method is card. And again, this payment method, it's absorbing based on our selection. Let's jump into the tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a fresh workflow, and then I'm gonna import this, send it to dip, and this is scissors start. Export part of the tax because we're grabbing the tax, we're just gonna now up manually row, and then we're adding another edit field to make sure that we're manually now, or we're cleaning the data that's coming in from here. We're grabbing the tax, we're grabbing the total amount, the invoice date, the invoice number, and then also the bank, right, or the payment method. So that's what we're doing. And then after that, we're just gonna now update that row, right, with all of this information, including the payment method. So now we're going to delete the row that was already there.
所以它不是 update 的，它是直接嘎掉重来啊！我等一下，我觉得这里我有更好的做法。我直接更新上去，不用这么麻烦好吗？这里应该有一个 update。No no no， 还是什么杀掉重来 ？Unbelievable。Invoice number 吧 ，Invoice number， 这里 Invoice number。然后这里的 payment method， 这里，我觉得这样就行了。我觉得这样就行了，不跟你们开玩笑，我觉得这样就行了。Watch baby, watch baby， 这一个 watch baby。不用杀掉重来，哥哥。When adding， 我先看完影片。
So that we don't have any duplicates. And then the next step, we're sending this message back to the user saying that successfully updated the database, right? So that's what we're doing here, and you can see on the left-hand side, that's the message that was sent here. And then now we're also we're grabbing the information, we're searching for a particular file, and now we're going to go ahead and move this and make sure that this invoice is in the correct folder. And as you can see right here, we have added this invoice now to our Google Drive, right? So very, very useful, very, very powerful, because you can essentially add this or apply this to any automation, right? So it doesn't have to be invoicing. You can see how powerful this becomes when you're interacting with the user back and forth, and based on their selection, it moves to the different routes. So you can use the same method, for example, for expense approval, for document processing, for even payroll management, or approving you handing the automation, or remuneration practices. Excellent.
Update when adding payment. Could be possibly do. Thanks for the tutorial. Helped a lot. Hey, nice. Sweet.怎么还是 document？ 然后Yes. Which payment method? Card. Okay. Oh, nice. Nah, I only like currently in YouTube. Nice, baby. N8N create invoice.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. What you see in front of you is an automated invoice generator. If you're a small business owner or a freelancer, implementing this system into your own business could save you hours per week. Before I get into showing how this workflow works and how you can replicate this, I first want to let you know that this channel is going to change directions. The past two videos have been quite generic tutorials, and I don't believe that's what's most exciting.
Take a look at them.
I think making videos about business-focused systems with real-life implementations is way more interesting for you guys and way more beneficial in the long run. That's why my future videos will focus on improving the efficiency of businesses by automating workflows.
Are you AI?
There are tons of tutorials about workflows on the internet, but only very few. This is going to be Richard Douglas. His company name is Sublet Rentals. His address, and then the description of what we've done for him. Now for the more exciting stuff. So in this case, we rented out holiday homes, and they have a fixed rate of $500 a week. Let's say we're renting out the holiday home for 52 weeks, better known as a year. You can see that it auto-filled the rest. That's because for the amount, the subtotal, the tax, and the total amount, we've used a formula. The formulas are very straightforward. To figure out the amount, we've done E2 times F2, so we've done the amount of weeks times the week rate, which comes down to a total of 26,000. The subtotal are within curly bracket. As you can see, all of the things within curly bracket, Google Drive is just as accessible. You fill in your info
我觉得我这边想要学的就是这个 invoice number 要怎么样让它一直叠上去。SS token。Invoice generator。哦 bot 好。Why？ Nuva。啊 ？Why？ Invoice generator。Why？ Why？ It's the official stuff, like official, the bot fodder. Oh, okay. Channel SS token. Okay. Good? You good? You good? Good. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, save. Let's give it a test. Give it a test. Oh. Good. Start. Okay. Succeed. So invoice number. Invoice number 是我希望能够做一个 N8N 的自动化，是它会从 Google Drive 上面拿到一个报价单的范本，然后它的那个范本会有一个 invoice number，它后面要填入一个数字，我希望那个数字可以是联动的，但我不知道我应该要怎么样做自动化，让它可以知道上一次是0026，然后下一次要做0027。我可以有 Google 系，但是 Google 系的 table database 应该怎么建置比较好？一步一步详细带我走。 哦哟，哎，good, very good, very very good. My real name is 林尚哲 something like this. So I have a invoice generator Google Drive file, and there's a place where I save template, and I want a place to save the result that is generated by AI workflow. So what can be the name of the folder? Give me 10 possible name. Fishing? I don't speak good English. Not sure what is the fishing that you are saying. But hold on. Mobile. There is something. I want to put it here, which is the invoice template, and I want to add a Google Doc. Add something like this, and there would be invoice ID, invoice number. Okay, so copy by this name. So this is invoice template. Gonna copy the ID and place it back. And okay, extract the name of the company. All right. Copy where? Copy, yeah, it's 7:30 something in Taiwan. We're gonna paste it in invoice archive. Let's test this out first. All right. So wait. Webhook. Line, huh? Gonna delete this shit. I'm gonna use Telegram for this specific scenario. A message and Nuva invoice generator bot. Okay. I want to use line. Let's go to invoice报价单. China, not sure. I live in Taiwan, but I think China we have the same time zone actually. So if I paste this, then go through somewhere here. Wait. Oh, okay. Copy. Done. Let's see. Invoice template here. Wait, this is wait, no. Invoice template, archive. Okay, good. Here. 复制一份之后 append。So grab invoice number. So we're gonna take from CEO document sheet. We're gonna add a filter when 公司抬头Yes, no. Okay. Refresh, baby. Refresh. Where is my refresh, baby? When 的使用状态等于 no。So when it is no, use limit to grab the first item. Okay. So if we run this, I can get something like 0046, which is this one. Good. Very good. Pretty good. If okay. 条件是个设定 If this if A2 equal to yes, okay, and something like this one from A2 equal to yes, it become green and the text will become dark green. Good. I'm using the cloud version. Well, really depends. If you have the ability to self-host, please do so. It's also free, so yeah, we have to pay when it comes to the cloud version. 所以我们现在需要一个 AI agent 来append. Okay. We're not using a pen, but instead the update. So Google Sheet. We're gonna use update. Document. Gonna. Oh no! Wait. Update. Update data to Google Sheet. Update from Nuva invoice generator. So column to match is the 流水号, which is this one. And 使用状态, we're gonna make it to yes. So no will become yes. 47, 同时抬头. We're gonna use expression so AI can fill in the information by itself based on the text. So okay. From AI, the company name. Number, 8-digit number from the text, from the message. Address, name, contact name, phone number, and the email. Contact email. There is a date, which is the current date. Use MMDD for the format. Validate. Add 7-day from the current date. Use. Okay, let's give it a try, shall we? Hold on. Weird. Hold on. Give it a try. 吃留言，吃什么留言？应该没吃吧？哎，为什么刚才讯息不见了？4544454647。Company name is invalid. Okay. Okay. So blah, 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 blah. We're gonna have the message here. Write a system prompt for ChatGPT, and the task is to use a tool called update row to write the to fill in the certain column based on the user information, and the column ChatGPT has to classify is the company name, the VAT number, which is the 8-digit number from the message, the company address, the contact the name, the phone number, the email, the invoice generated date, and use YYYYMMDD for the format, and the valid date should be 14 day after the current date. Based on the information I provided, write a detailed system prompt for me. Okay, I think we can give it a shot. Give it a shot again. Woohoo! 오, 대박. generated， Good, very good. Let's try again.统一编号呢？What? Let's try again. Beautiful, very beautiful. So Tiffany, we need Tiffany to update the information from the Google Sheet into the document that is duplicate from Sam. All right, Sam. So the document should link with oh my god, what time is it? 8. Right, so I think this is going to be 哎呀，我干嘛讲英文？将报价单好。OK， 所以明天我们要做的事情就会是把这个 Google Sheet 的资讯给它放进去这个地方，就是这样子。好啦，那今天直播就到这边，我稍微 update 一下今天做了什么事情。今天我们一起学了，前面那个报价单它是怎么样去，它是怎么分析报价单，然后就把它填入 Google Sheet。那我就反过来做，今天我如果要生成一个报价单的时候，我可以 grab invoice number， 然后我在 grab 的时候啊，因为我要抓这个流水号，那我要抓就是抓当它的使用状态是 no， 然后就把这些全部取出来。所以你看到，如果我现在取的话，它应该取这个0048。你看我如果现在给它复制贴，给它跑的话，它应该会取0048。我们来看一下。为什么只取48呢？为什么会从48开始取？因为我在这个 filter 的地方，我说我要找使用状态是 no 的，所以它会从第一笔 no 开始抓，所以它会抓到这个48，因为前面都已经是 yes 了嘛。 所以等一下我在把资料填进去的时候，我还会再填一个，我会把这个 no 改成 yes， 所以就代表这个流水号已经被用过，流水号就不会被重复使用了。那为什么？为什么这个流水号为什么会被改啊？然后我觉得这也是明天要研究的事情。好，大概是这样，然后再来就会在这个请一个 AI 把它填进去，然后填的方法是这里有一个 from AI， 那这个 from AI 就是请 hello 让 AI 去从你的讯息里面去抓资料，然后填进去，所以让 AI 就判断讯息里面哪些是公司名称，然后把它填进去。然后明天我们会 debug 一下，把这一个把这里面的 output， 把这些东西塞进去这个报价单里面，然后它就会去取代这些名字。好，以上就是今天的直播，我要准备出发去香港了。继续搭飞机了。给大家看我的行李，所以我等下就可以直接出发。哎呀，怎么会辛苦？好玩的。昨天睡比较少，不好意思，今天早上精神比较差。好了，那就这样子。我明天看，我不知道香港网络怎么样啊。但如果可以的话，我也会在香港继续直播。但时间也会是早上，然后等我从香港回来之后再回归晚上，这样子好了。那我们就下次直播见。